Well, hello. We're gonna play funny cat game called Stray Orange Tabby Cat. Yes. Yes, start the game. I now like to part of the funny cat game though. Look at that water. Look, Tabby. Ooh, black cat. No, it's orange and white. That's cute though. That's a black cat right there. And there's us. The orange tabby. Orange tabby. Bro, look, yo, I'm a fucking funny cat. Look, whoa, funny cat, bro. Whoa, funny cat, bro. Yo, playing with cat, bro. Yo, do again. Aww. That's cute. Cute. Aw, this is cute. Yeah. Play with them. Aw. Funny cat game, bro. Yo. Cute. Bro, let's flip with 3 cats, bro. This is a beautiful goddamn game. Yo, 4 cats, bro. Holy shit. 4 damn tabby. 4 cats, bro. Holy shit. Look at that cinematic scene. That's pretty cute. Butterfly. That's a beautiful scene. Good squishies. Yo. What that cat doing over there? What that one doing? That's a cute one. Where's the black one now? Where's the black cat at? Y'all go on down. Look at them go. Inside the well. Inside the wall. Fuck. Can't read. Look at them go. There's the orange tab. He's walking. Yep. There's the meow. Aww. This is cute. But where's the black cat at? Oh, there he is. Oh. Yo, I got... This is cute. Aww. This is a beautiful damn river. Oops, sweet. Mini game it. Perfect. Yes. This is cute. I know what the end part, but man, this is a cute game. Oh, start. Oh, there. Oh yeah, I thought it was fun. Yeah, it's a pretty good game. Sweet. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, this is the party's found. Oh, no. Oh, well, this is the party's found. No. Oh, this is sad. Oh, you're stabbing, no. Oh. No, you're stabbing, no. Oh. Oh, you're stabbing, no. I know he's still alive, but man, this is sad. Aw. Oh, he's limping, aw. 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 Bad for Tabby. What's this? Funny noises. Weird bug. Come on, buddy, you got this. Go up. Down here. March Capital, go explore. Fly into the city. The dead city. Bird bugs. Huh? The camera's looking at us. I wonder why. That's it. Simple parkour. Oh, I heard what I was saying. Wee. You can't get. Now we need a bucket. It's a funny noise. Door. Shit. Oh, there you are, cat. Grab you. Jump. Cat with a bucket. Oh, camera. Hello, buddy. Moving. Yep. Oh, over here. There we go. No. Oh, fine. Oh, thank God. Okay, now we'll go up here then. On the light. Boop. Boop. Simple puzzles. Yeah. First puzzle I can understand. Fuck. Not anymore, I guess. Push. Come on, push it. Push, bro. Bored for a second? Oh, that's cute though. Okay, no one. Yep. Boop. 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 Okay, bam. Okay, climb this up. Climb this up. Just like go over here somewhere. Useless, I guess. Boop. Up. There we go. Boop. Excuse me, sir. Oh. That motherfucking cat can parkour. Entering building. Okay, now we need a bucket. This is a bucket. Dear God. Is this a bucket? Nope. It is a bucket. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, cool, 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 cool. Wee. The flat. need help. Yes. Corruption, we need help. Yeah, this I feel like I type for myself. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, I put the password. Thank you. Oh. Oh. Swear, it's perfect. Wee. Where's the last part of it? No, where's the last one? Oh, it's up there. I think this drink. Go down. Oop. It can go. Ooh. Box. Nope. Where's these? Where this thing can go? Pick it up a little buddy. Pick it up buddy. Where the go buddy at? Oh. Oh. Looking for little tiny robot. Look at tiny robot. Oh look, that statue. Oh look, bud. Eddie, look at this, Eddie. Oh, yeah, perfect. Eddie works, I swear. B12. Now I call it Eddie. Eddie from Fallout New Vegas. Perfect. Look at him go. Just looks. It's for the reason. Oh, there he goes. Okay, turn it back on. Question marks, question mark. Oh, it's fine. Thank you. Thank you, please. The camera's at in dead sea. I can't remember any seems any memories is corrupt. I've been trapped in this electric network for so damn long. I know work for a scientist who lives here. For now, he's calling me B12. Yeah, I'm gonna call you Eddie. Whatever my on show. It's dangerous in that city, but it seems like you can handle yourself. Let's get out of here. Follow me. Boop. I think that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed.
Thank you for watching me play Stray, where I am going to make a part series until end.